welcome back. I hope you guys are doing great and everything is amazing. It's been a really long time that I haven't uploaded anything or on Instagram. I just had a lot of things going on and I was just busy with few things. So that is because my college started and I had really less time to do something else, but I did something along with my college projects and everything, which is this thing right here. So a little backstory. When lockdown started, I was just getting bored. We didn't even have college or anything like that going on, so I had a lot of time to make other videos or content for my YouTube. So I used to do that, but along with that, I used to just make these sketches or drawings on my iPad. There was this app on which I used to make this digital drawings or try doing it, because I also didn't have a stylist, so I used to just try drawing with my fingers. So one day I just decided to make these pages, just pastely and nice looking pages for myself, because I have a habit of writing down everything. Like, if I have to do something, I have to write it down before, otherwise it just won't happen. Like, if I have to do this project, I have to write it down, otherwise otherwise I won't just be able to complete it. It is how it works for me, that I have to write it down and then only I can process it. So I just decided to make a few pages for me, a kind of like a planner. So I was just making these pages throughout the lockdown, like whenever I felt like, because I wasn't sure if I was actually going to print it or anything like that. So I was just making random pages for myself whenever I was in a mood to draw or things like that. But then college started and I just forgot about it. But then I did not complete all the pages. I just made a page of January and Feb. That's all I did. And a few mood trackers, because I find it really interesting to have a mood tracker. So I just made these few pages. And recently, along with my college work, I decided that if I've started doing this in the lockdown, I think I should just complete it, so that even I would think that okay, I did not waste my time in lockdown and I actually did something productive. So I decided to complete all my pages, and day before yesterday I finished all the pages, like Jan to December and mood trackers for all months and few other like pages that I like personally. So I just decided to print it for myself, and here it is. So this is how the book looks. I'm going to show you all roughly how the book is. So this is the front page. When you open, there's this blank page. You can write your name here and stick some stickers and make it look like you. I don't know, like stick some stickers and make it look good according to whatever you like. When you turn, there is this page called goals for the year. So I think everyone has these goals they set for themselves when the year starts, that you have to do this, set in your mind that oh, within this year I want to do this or I want to complete this. So the page is for that. And when you turn, there are these two pages. This one says places I want to travel, and your places I have traveled. So maybe at the start of the year you can write down places that like you would want to travel to in this year, and in places I have traveled, maybe you can write down some names you had visited earlier or places you visit the year. You can also have these some memories of the trip, and you can write it, or maybe you can have small printout of these your pictures when you went there or things like that, and you can stick it here. So when you turn, there is this January page, a basic calendar. So when you turn, you have this page called don't forget to wish them. So you can write down all the names whose ever birthday comes in the month of Jan, and so you know when to wish them. You can write their names here. And this is the page for January. Here there's a small calendar. Here I've given weekly highlights. If there are any highlights you want to remember or anything like that, you can write here. Also there's a space to write important. If you have an exam or a meeting on some specific date, you can write it down in the important section just to take a note self. And here are these days. Also, when you turn, there is this to-do list page. You can write all the things that you want to do in that month. And here are 3 pages for just plain notes. You can write whatever you want. And here comes the mood tracker. Every month has a different type of mood tracker, and they also have a quote related to the mood tracker here. So basically I have made this, if you can see, and it has these petals which I have numbered till 31. So you can make your own legend. For example, red means angry, yellow means happy, green means satisfactory. So suppose January 1st was a really happy day for you, so you can color these leaf as yellow. And suppose second was like a satisfactory day, not good, not bad, but okay, so you can color this petal green. So you can, so like that you can color this whole thing till the end of the month, and when you look back to it, you'll see that how colorful it is. No matter how the days have been, it is always going to be colorful. So just a thought. So that's why I made this. Here there's a memories page, so you can write any memory that you want to remember or from that month, maybe good or bad, or anything you want to write down about that month. And when you turn, there is this page called things you are grateful for. It is not necessarily it has to be a thing, it can also be a person that you are grateful for. If somebody has helped you or done something really good to you, or that touched your heart, or you want to remember that thing, you can write it down here. And here there's a blank page where you can do anything you want, draw, write, sketch, or stick some nice stickers or anything like that. And when you turn, the same thing starts. The main page, then the to-do list, notes, everything else is the same. So this is my planner, and I really don't know what to say. It's just, here it is, and I'm extremely happy, and I just can't stop saying that I'm happy, because I don't know, this is just so close to my heart, and I'm going to use it every day. This book makes me so happy. Yeah, it just makes me so happy, and I feel so proud that I made this, and I'm extremely happy. I think I'm just not going to ever, like, I don't know what to say. I am planning to sell these, and that's why I have made this video. So if any one of you are planning to buy this, you can DM me or just drop me a message. If you want to know anything further about this, I'll let you guys know. Also, if you want anything specific for the cover, I think I can do that for you. So here it is. So that's it for the video. I hope you guys like it. Also, please do share this video and let your friends know that I am selling this planner.